Shubor Nakashlem Jong Nongsan Hima.
Ka Pynthorumkhrah Assembly Youth Congress hne ka sngi kala Pynkup Burom ki khna Pule ki bala pass baha ki Eksamin jo ki prepare ka bala long ha belfon lum shiam ha ka te ka sngi kongsan ude ba Vincent H Pala ubade MP ba president ka MPCC kat ba sembut kongsan ude Samla Adrian L Milim Khan ubade president ka MPYC Layo ru ya ka jingkran na uba PNCM ubade working president ka MPCC uba B Khongla ubade retired chief engineer MEPGCL bad ubade ru urang ba snong barem ka dor ba snong nomen song bad kiwei ba Vincent ula ai ka jingya ru ikiti ki Samla ki bala pas bha bad bakin nang tre shitom shu bakin nang yai kiyo shaprang ha ka jing em ka jongki Long bakumu kpau snothu balada ki khun ki yo kusnam nomor ka jing tre shitom jongki ujaw umman Ula ai kublai ru ya ka MPYC kabala penong ya ka program bat kabala tre shitom hadu kata na kalyang Samla Adrian ula ong baka jing tre shitom jang ki Samla kilayo ban khet yu so ha ka bakut ula ong bakumu president ka MPYC udap da ka jing kemen ban UI ki Samla bakin yo ya ka jing job bat ula ong bakin nang yai tre shitom ha ka jing em ka jongki
Miss Lavinia Information and Technology. A big hand for John Andrew Nongkrah. Eban Lampala, 62.1%.
Awards to be awarded today. As the MDC, as the working president of MPCC, I feel proud to see the youth from Pynthorumkhrah who come with excellence during their different exam in different board of exam. But as of now, we in the Pynthorumkhrah see the very sudden is we do not have any college in Pynthorumkhrah. I think we are happy to know from Sister Helen, who will very soon open the evening college here in Bulfen Community College. A big thank you to Sister Helen. In fact, we should have had 2 or 3 colleges here in Pynthorumkhrah. It will be very much helpful for the youth in Pynthorumkhrah. But we are expecting that soon this evening college here with Sister Helen will start functioning. We also requested our MP at least to give some fund from the MP scheme for Sister Helen to start this college. My big thank you to the awardees who come during this program. And I encourage you to work hard, study hard. We are living in a very competitive world. Only those who are working hard will survive. So I encourage you, I inspire you that you will working more harder. So with flying colors. So time will come that we as the people of Pynthorumkhrah and the Pynthorumkhrah Assembly Youth Congress Committee will be very much proud of you.
Your hard work is recognized, in which those sleepless nights, those hours of continuous studying have finally paid off. It fills me with such great pleasure to see everyone here. As our president has said, Bakasalan, even I have not received anything because I have never come in the top 10, but even though I was amongst the crowd, and to be here amongst all of you is a great honor. Because I was once a student myself, and I understand the amount of stress we take before exams, how much we have to prove to ourselves, to our friends, and to our family, how much we have to work hard. And today, it fills me with immense joy to see so many students here today, 280 plus. All of you from your various fields, all of you working hard, striving hard, with your own various ambitions. I'm very proud of all of you, because you are the pride of not only your family, but also of our state. Amidst tumultuous times during the Corona time, during the pandemic, you've all studied hard, you've worked hard. And I am just taking the words of Bakasalan. Even during those times, you've proven yourselves that you can achieve. Because what are we, if not humans? And what are humans? Those who overcome. And amidst all of that, all of you have become successful in your endeavors. I, as Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress President, I'm very happy. And I encourage all of you, work harder. Because from here on out, there are many obstacles in our life. Because what is life without obstacles? From here on out, some of you may pursue further education. Some of you may pursue a trade. Some of you may do your own things. Everyone has their own ambitions. But just one thing, my dear friends, all who are here today, take that stride with courage. Each and everything that you do, I understand it's not easy. But for each and every little thing that you do, you will be recognized. That's why persevere. Because in the face of adversity, those who persevere, those who show courage, those are the ones who are rewarded. And as today you will be rewarded, I am very sure even in the future, all of you will be recognized and rewarded. My humblest wish, all of you who will be my future colleagues, all of you who will be the future of our state, all of you who are here today, my fellow students, my fellow peers, I encourage all of you to pursue what you want, what ambitions you have. Don't be afraid, because fear will only hold us back.
Appreciates the organizer, Meghalaya Youth Congress, for organizing this program. I'm proud to see that the Youth Congress of today are very active, rather they are more active than the parents and DCC themselves. Be in press conference, be in terms of research, we have all quality, educated and hard work and dedicated workers in the Youth Congress system today. We are planning to work very hard, even the aspirants or the candidates for the coming election. But with all the efforts of the Youth Congress as well as the citizens of this state, I hope that we should do better in the coming election. I request all those who have got the awards, please give it up, work harder, score harder. We are living in the world of competitions. We are living in the world of technology. We are living in the world of full of challenges in our life. Until and unless we live, until and unless we stand, until and unless we walk together, parents, teachers, and the society, is very difficult for us to survive, sustain, and success in life. For example, today while coming, our Youth Congress has told me that there are students of class 7, class 8 who have been addicted to drugs. I've seen personally now planning to fight an election in the assembly. I have to visit door to door. I could see the desperations in the people of the state. The poverty has become very high. The parents, poor parents, who work day and night to send their children to school, college, and at different levels. When the children passed good percentage, good marks, they didn't get a job, they didn't get employment. So a double frustrations in the face of their parents as well as the face of the students. Therefore, until and unless we work hard, we work together, we realize the problem together as a society, I think we'll not be able to sustain, we'll not be able to survive, we'll not be able to shine, we'll not be able to bid to face the challenge that we have in today's world.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.